Ang bango niya, grabe. Nourishing lip balm. May SIR. Micellar water. Yung Garnier lang. Andiyan. Yan. Pero naman na. Ay, hindi mag-focus. Pero, 120. Yes. Ay, 7:30 yung ano ko yung start. Yung start ng orientation. Also, I'm gonna use this. Diba? Diyan. Panorama. Kaya ba? Nakikita ba sa elf? Hindi. Wala pa naman ako nakikita ng baso. Ayan. Oh. Nagsalita na siya. Sorry pero sayang naman yung mic. Hi. So, kitchen bag. Is it a kitchen bag? A chef's bag na galing sa school. And now, let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. So, yun lang. Yun lang. Don't mind my bed. Kasi hindi ko pa siya inaano. Tongs. A ladle. A whisk. Cook up chef design tools. May tatakbe. And a measuring cup. Digital scale. Kitchen scale. Oh my gosh. Ano to? Decorating bag. Oh nice. Piping bags. Meron din siyang piping bag. The thermometer. Kailangan ko to. Swiss made. Here. And this is 2 piping tips. Number 806, 821. Na piping tip. Measuring spoons. Kitchen tweezers. And then open this one. Bam! Sis. Spoon. Oh my my gosh, ate ko din yung nasa akin eh. Ate ko, or ate ko. I don't know how to pronounce this. Ay, wow. I have... Oh, yeah. Dalawa siya. And then, this one is for... It's a brush. Kitchen brush. Basta nilagyan na lang ng kitchen. Ano, parang rubber spat. High heat spatula or scraper. Grabe, ate ko din. Kasi yung sa akin sa US nun, parang local. Hindi naman super local, pero wala siyang ano, parang generic. Ay, ang weird ha. Parang kuko ng... Another knife. Oh my God, ang ganda naman. May ganun pa siya. Like this one. Kitchen knife. Dry. I know, dry yung skin ko, pero... And bread knife. Wooden spoon or wooden siya. Ganda. Kaya mabigat kasi, meron akong panghasa. No, hindi siya panghasa eh. Iba kasi yung panghasa eh. Yung, siguro pang... Pag nahasa na, after mo hasain sa stone, tsaka mo siya gagamitin ng ganyan. So since I'm done unboxing that one, let's go to the uniforms. Ang uniform na to I guess it's kitchen. It's a chef, Chef Works. Yan, Chef Works. Bangladesh pala siya. It's a towel, kitchen towel.
It's definitely something that you're going to be using for the rest of your life. But when you use it to just blindly write your reports for you, I did use AI or whatever to section number 2. Okay, so always include 2 in introduction to nutrients, diets, and calories. So module 1 lines up with week.
Sobrang bigat ng dala-dala ko. Tapos dala-dala ko yung kit, lunchbox, and my bag. 6:10 a.m. And then 6:12 yung bus. Oh, I'm sifting the dry. Say hi to the vlog. Ay, hi to the... That? Number.
Kaso lang, naalala ko, kung ganito.
Hindi na.